Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today I am going to cook a fried rice with chicken. Now I am going to show you the ingredients that you are going to need to make this delicious fried rice. First, you will need 3 eggs, room temperature. Then you will need to have white rice from yesterday or early in the morning, the day you are going to cook it. You're gonna let that cool down. Next, 1 purple onion, 1 piece of celery or 2 if you really like the celery flavor, and 1 carrot. And of course you will need your chicken. Now I am going to cut everything in the subtitles. I will put all the steps and the things that you are going to need are going to be in the description box. So let's start cutting and then I will show you how to do your rice. Well guys, now that you saw how I cook the rice, here is how it looks, and I'm gonna taste it for you. So good. I left the vegetables a little bit crispy, but if you don't like it like that, you can cook them a little bit more and then you add the rice. But it's yummy. You want? No? Well guys, this is so good, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!